A summer cruise for teachers to inspire their students. They boarded the ship at the Port of Rochester this morning, a 7-day cruise on the Lake Guardian research vessel.
And every year it goes out in the spring and summer to do water quality sampling on all 5 Great Lakes. But for 1 week a year, it visits one Great Lake, and we bring 15 teachers out from across the entire Great Lakes region to work with the scientists, do the research, and then bring that experience back to their students.
Research these teachers will be able to turn into lessons.
And we'll be monitoring everything from dissolved oxygen, temperature, different nutrient levels. So we'll see how that bottom of the food web really supports the entire thing. So these tiny microorganisms, plankton, if they're not there, there's no fish. If there's no fish, we can't catch them. The whole ecosystem's thrown off. So this really creates a foundational understanding for the scientists and for the students as well.
And the teachers understand the value of this experience.
I think it's so important because so many of our students grow up right here with this resource, or they maybe have been to Charlotte Beach, but they really don't know the importance of it or the science that's going on. So I think this will be a great way to use the data in class to show them the pictures of what's really happening, and have them looking at real data and making it relevant to their lives.
So these teachers, they're in the classroom, they're working with their kids every day, but they get to take this real experience back to their classroom and hopefully inspire the kids to develop a loving relationship with the Great Lakes.
A loving relationship. Hey, I guess these teachers might be able to say, all aboard for the Love Boat. Yeah.